What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, savings challenges, sinking funds, debt payoff, all while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Join the Shmoney team. We over here getting our shmoney together, baby. Okay, what's up, guys? How y'all doing? Please excuse my nails because it is definitely to be doing my nails, but I had a very special order. One of my friend's daughters is having a baby, so I did some baby shower inspired nails. So she's having a baby girl, and here's the other hand. And she basically told me she wanted pacifiers, the little baby feet, and some rattles. Okay, all defined. This candle, this is Huntington Home Lemon Buttercream, guys. This candle smells amazing, okay? And get this, $2.49 for the candle. Okay, that was my find. We are cash stuffing $209. We got, oh, I didn't even count the money. Look, moving fast. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 195, 200, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209. I sat there and budgeted out everything. I had did it on a scratch piece of paper, what I was supposed to cash stuff in each, department, each section or whatever. And I done sat there and was moving so fast, messing around with my kids. I wrote it on a scratch piece of paper, and I was supposed to transfer it into my budget binder. I done finished up whatever I was doing and tore the paper up and threw it in the trash can and just realized that I didn't have it. So, y'all, I don't know what I be doing with myself, okay? Now that's my mom calling me. I really apologize for all these interruptions, y'all. And see how they do, they'll keep calling right back to back. So let's straighten up these money. Diligent, trying not to spend. Well, I have been spending. I've been spending, every day spending gas and stuff like that. But anything that is not a necessity, I have not been spending any money on it. But yeah, so let's get started. Let's start with the wallet. Because things have been a little tight, I am letting money roll over for right now. I'm not doing this long term. I'm letting money roll over just to make sure that I can cover expenses that I need. So let's start with, what do I have left over? I'm going to have to count this because I've been trying to do a good job with tracking and keeping up with how much I have left over, but I have not been the best with it. So it looks like I have $21 left over in personal me money, $20. So that's 20, 40, 41. I also got $1 extra care buck from CVS. I need to make sure I spend that before that expires. Car and gas. So we have $20, $45 left over in gas, and we're gonna add 20. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 65 in gas. How was you guys' week? I had a really exhausting week. Like, I promise, this last week has been more exhausting than I've had in a while. Household, I'm gonna skip this for right now, and if there's something left over, then I'll know that it was from household. And I can't remember if I'm doing 10 or 15 for the kids, so I'll do 10, and then if I have money left over, I'll go back. They actually have $2 left over. I'll put 15, but I'm just gonna put 10 for right now, and I'll go back just because I threw away ripped up my paper. Like, I ripped up that paper with confidence that I did not need it anymore. Business, I think I said I was going to put $10 in business. Let's see what we have left over in business. We have $15 left over in business, which I'm so glad that I made a business envelope, because I had definitely noticed that there were a lot of business purchases coming out of my personal money, and that kind of made it impossible for me to have spending money. So now we have 10, 20, 25 in business. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is another one that I'm so glad that I came up. This joint came through in the clutch. Do you hear me? Because I had to pay for my medicine from CVS. I had to pay for 2 of my prescriptions. I normally don't have to pay for them, but I don't know why I had to pay for them. But I was able to take the money out of miscellaneous, and then also I paid for the candles and the bag that I had to buy from Aldi's. So we have $10, $5 in miscellaneous. I can't remember. We'll get it together. You know, I'm just like staying encouraged and not letting anything get to me. Food, I know I said I wasn't putting anything in there because we don't need to be eating fast food anyway. The only reason I made this envelope is because my daughter, sometimes she just acts like she's having a fast food withdrawal symptom. Okay, so medical, I think I said I was putting 30 in medical. And hair and beauty, I think I said that I was going to put $10 because I have to get myself and my son, my oldest son's haircut, seats, and everything. So that's it for the variable expenses. So in birthdays, you got a pretty healthy amount. Normally I wouldn't save up this much money, particularly for one person's birthday, but exactly a month later is my 3-year-old's birthday, so he'll be turning 4 a month after Mackenzie's birthday. So I'm actually trying to save up for both of them. And we are adding, well, let's count what we have. We have 100, 200, 250, 270, 280, 290, 300. We have $301. So we're adding 65. So we're adding a 50, a 10, and a 5. We have 100, 200, 250, 300, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 365, 366. So we got $366. When I was a kid, I never had a birthday. I'm not gonna say never really. I never had a birthday as a child. So I really overcompensated with my children and birthdays. And I remember one year I spent $700 on my son Jaden's birthday. And that's just really ridiculous. And I don't make that type of money to do that. So I told my daughter, I said, we're not doing a party. I'm going to take her and her best friend to the arcade, to Dave & Buster's. And I'm also going to do a group breakfast with, you know, my family members if they want to pull up. But I'm not even taking like my other children. I'm just taking my daughter and her friend and literally spending the least as possible. I'm going to finish up my savings challenge. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 141, 142. I don't know how I got the $2 extra, but I don't know how I got the $2 extra, but we'll figure that out. So I'm adding 35. So that's 20, 30, and a 5. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 175. Something's not right. Something's not adding up with this. So we're going to do the 35, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 175. We have 177, so 50. I don't know where these $2 extra came from. I think they were like random. I think this was like the first $2 I put in there before I started doing the challenge, but there's no random $2. So I just think that was some extra money I put in there. So we got 177. Okay, so we still have one more $50 one to do on the challenge, and I will do that next pay. So let's color in this one. And I'm actually going to start doing a separate video for my savings challenges. But before, I didn't have the room in my income to really do many savings challenges, so I kind of added them into the video or whatever. But I'm going to start doing this box and my other savings challenges. I believe it's my car maintenance fund and stuff like that. So yeah, look forward to that, guys. So we still got one more to do. Thought I was doing something. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have $9 now in household. I have bought a whole lot of household products with my Fetch rewards. So we're still good, but I am putting money in here so when I do run out of something, I'll have a little cushion to fall back on, or if there's something I need. Just like when I bought those candles from Aldi's, I could have used the money from house, but I ended up using miscellaneous. Yeah, guys. So I think that's it. That's it. Okay, I don't know why I felt like I had something else to do, but I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave a purple heart emoji in the comments. And if you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can join the shmoney team, because we over here getting our shmoney together, baby.